हरे कृष्णा। भगवत गीता का अनमोल ज्ञान लेने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें गिव गीता चैनल को और हाँ, बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना ना भूलें।
अक्षर निताई दास जी पूछ रहे हैं गुरुजी, some people say that there is no need of any rules and regulation. Krishna Prem is the ultimate goal. Rules and regulations are obstacle in the ultimate goal. Please explain.
How will you come to that level? You eat non-veg, you eat all nonsense, you drink, and you say that you got Krishna Prem. Acha. Ask them, are they following rules and regulations or not? They are following rules and regulations. Tell them to break the rules and regulations on the traffic, on the road. They'll go to the Shamshan Ghat instead of going to Krishna. They all follow rules and regulations. Why do they not eat non-veg then? Krishna Prem is the main thing. What is the difference? Why not eat non-veg? Sorry, absolutely Krishna is against. First you have Krishna Prem. How will you develop Krishna Prem? By doing those activities which Krishna likes. So it may be rules and regulations for you, but we are doing because Krishna likes it. For you these 4 things are rules, but for us, no. For us, not eating non-veg. Why do you not eat non-veg? Because Krishna does not like. Why don't you take intoxication? Krishna does not like. Why do you not indulge in illicit sex? Krishna does not like. Why do you not tell lies? Or why do you not speculate? Krishna does not like. Now you may think it is rule. I think that is the liking of Krishna. So that is your way of thinking. It is rules or liking. We take it as liking. Yes, devotees should take it as Krishna likes this. That's why I do it. That will develop prem. And that will show that you have prem or not. For that, what will you do? You will try to read every instruction of Krishna. What has he said? What has he told me to do? I like to follow every word. You don't want to know? That is wrong. Why did he speak all this? If it was only Krishna Prem, then why did he write all these Shastras? Why? So that we should know what he wants. And what he wants is the best for us. So that we may develop Krishna Prem. So I don't understand. If that was the motive of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then he should have only said one word to Arjuna. Hey, love me. Or hey, Krishna, I love you, but I will not fight. That would have been the reply of Arjuna. Would that be okay? Would that be right? Absolutely wrong. Krishna is telling us something. We should, the person you love, you want to fulfill his desire, his every wish you want to know. Is it not true? Yes, there is a sampradaya in Vrindavan which preaches this. Only Krishna Prem, no need of knowledge. No, I'm not taking knowledge, sorry. First of all, let's take it out. I want to know what Krishna likes. You might think it to be Gyan. I don't take it as Gyan. I take it as what Krishna's desire is. Is it right? Krishna likes Karela. Why should I not give him Karela? Right? Then it becomes a rule. If you think Karela, giving Karela, we should give Karela to Krishna, Arvi to Radharani. Now you may take it as a rule, but I take it as a liking. Now that is upon you. So all devotees should take this as the liking of the Lord. When they are told to do something, you should take it as an order, or you should take it as a liking that Krishna likes this. Now that is your mentality. You may be thinking like that, what can I do? So you should not take order. You should take spiritual master's instructions as your life and soul. That is what has been stated by Prabhupada also. Life and soul means order nahi. When do you take it life and soul? Oh, you are eager to serve. Want to fulfill. Not as an order. No. That is still your lower level. This is what we like. That should be that position.